Hey everyone, today on Will of, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp voice messages if they're not working. First, go to Settings. Find WhatsApp there. Make sure your microphone is on. If it's on, check screen time and content and privacy restrictions are off, like mine. If that doesn't work, try restarting WhatsApp by deleting and reinstalling it. Like this. Then open it again. If it's still not working, try recording a voice message using your phone's voice recorder app. Check if it records properly. If not, you might have a microphone issue. As a last resort, restart your phone and reinstall WhatsApp. That's all, folks. This was Well of. See you later.